What is going on, everybody? Today is Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. This is my trading review for the day. I ended up the day up $88. Not really $88, more like $60 because of all the commission that I used today. I think I've been thinking about trade like sorry. I've been thinking of trading like differently, like how I trade now, cuz I just spend way too much money on commission. Either I'm going to buy, let's say if I was to buy one hold on, give me a second. If I buy one of these, if I buy, see, these GSs, right? I bought the 430s on GS, so let's see. I think I bought 10 of these. No, 5. All right, 5 of them. So I bought 5 at 48 cents, the 430s. I think I'm going to stay away from like these like really low volume, well, like lower out of the money contracts, cuz I just like buy up a lot of them and I just end up spending a lot of money on commission. Bro, literally like the delta is really bad on them, but GS was actually mooning in the morning, so like the premium was like really high. I'll show you guys right here. The 430s. That's the only reason why I bought it, but literally if I'm going to get into a trade, I'm definitely going to start trading like more expensive contracts, cuz bro, I'm literally spending so much money on commission every single day, and I've lowered my commission from, I think you start with TOS 65 cents all the way down to 40 cents, and I was offered 35 cents on E Trade Pro, and I'm thinking of switching if this trading style doesn't work out. I'm sure it would though, because all I gotta do is just take really nice setups and trust my setups. But all this scalping like throughout the whole day, it can really work out for me some days. Like some days, if you watch some of my videos, like I have really good days that I scalp these perfect moves. But even on good days, I'm still paying $30 to $40 in commission. Like that's horrible. I shouldn't be paying that much in commission, especially with like this low of an account, because at the end of the day, it really racked like it really it really starts adding up. Like I could say I think last week I was net positive like $1,700, and I think like $300 went straight to commissions, bro, and that's insane. Because within a month or two, I'm already spending, let's say, if I'm averaging around 300 or 250 a week, that's literally like in my head. I'm literally thinking about it like if that was like an extra bill that I have to pay. But I know there's a price to be trading and all that, but at the same time, it's like, bro, all this money that should be growing my account is going to a commission. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just look for really nice setups, and buy like the expensive contracts, buy one or two of them at most, because you can still get really nice moves on these contracts. But the thing is that I hate buying these expensive contracts, and like the premium just is like so high, like this. You know what I'm saying? So then that's why I always buy like more out the money, because like the premium isn't that high, and it wouldn't be like such a big drawback on like on the premium. You know what I'm saying? But besides that, bro, yeah, the market has been really choppy. Let me show you guys. The market has been really choppy for the past couple of days since Friday. I don't know if I took a trade on Friday, but it was really choppy, bro. And I don't know if we're gonna come back into this channel. It kind of looks like SPY is gonna fall into this channel again, and then we will start chopping around again. But for now, like the market has been in a really bad range. It's good for scalping, because you could catch intraday scalps like Tesla, like buying the bottom of Tesla right here, or AMD. Let me see AMD. Um, AMD as well, TTD as well. You could have bought this dip right here in the morning. Let me show you guys. It was around 10:59. Yeah, right at 11 o'clock. It literally bounced on the top orb of the first 15 minutes. It literally bounced, and the premium had a nice move from like $1 to like $2 right here on this move right here. But besides that, like the market's been chopping crazy, and yeah, I don't really like trading in like these choppy ass markets. But besides that, I can talk about all these plays that I did today. But all right, you know what? I'm gonna just talk about them. I'm gonna just talk about the main ones because all these other ones were just chop plays. So let's talk about TTD. Now, every single time like TTD has a nice setup for the day, I always try to get in, but it never tends to fill me at all. And it like even if you try to get filled on TTD contracts in the morning, like the bid and the ask are really bad, and you are probably gonna have to overpay for the contracts. Hold on, let me show you guys. Bro, where am I at? All right, let's see the 89. Just see. So as you can see in the morning, like this premium straight gap ups. If you want to get inside like if you want to grab a couple contracts, you are gonna have to buy a high and just hope it rips like on your pullback or something like that. Because this shit was just mooning in the morning, and if you guys are wondering why like these first candles are orange, it's because I have a study high volume candles. So it it shows me if a candle comes out to be more than two and a half times of regular volume, it'll show up as orange, and then like to the upside, and then if it's two and a half to the south side, it'll come out black. And this is really good because I don't really have to look at the volume down here for the most part. Well, like while I'm trading, I do, but like once I see like a really nice push on with like one of these candles, there tends to be like a really strong trend like coming up. I'm gonna give you another example, and also this this study is really good as well, because usually I've been seeing that if a stock starts the day with like two or three of these candles in the morning, they tend to like trend up really high for the rest of the day due to like the extremely high volume to the upside, and it also works to the downside as well. But this is a really great example. I was supposed to trade this, but I was looking at something else, so I wasn't able to trade this nice flag right here. But look at this beautiful flag on NVAX right here. It broke out, and then it was consolidating a bit. Like I just like didn't trade it at all, but it kept at it right there, kind of holding like the 90 MA. Kind of slipped right there, but out of nowhere, a big orange candle came out of nowhere. Some nice volume right here, and then from there it held 9 EMA and just kept ripping. Had like these really nice candles to the upside, kept holding the 9 EMA, and then these two candles really juiced the premium from 39, I think so. Yeah, from 39 to 47 to 247. Like that premium was going crazy there. I thought it was failed, but it low-key held the trend. I probably should have got in around here, or maybe off this break right here. Still would have been a really good trade. But this study right here is really good. If you guys want it, just let me know in the comment section. I'll put it up. And then this is a trade. All right, so then I traded TTD. I got in with a couple contracts. Scalped it a little bit. Came up $78. And then this is a example for like the downside on that study. And this was a trade that really knocked down my gains for the day. So I was looking at MU right here. I was waiting for the break of this high right here, and there was also a lot of call buying as well. due to the fact that there was like a they were attending like a conference today, something to that manner, and it it really looked really bullish for the day. Since it's been dumping for the whole day, and but like it like low key held like this 75 level. So like I just wanted to see if we can get a rip back up, especially with like all that coal buying. I literally bought right before it tapped VWAP, and that was a number one mistake right there that I shouldn't have done. I had that written down on my notes that I should never buy like right before VWAP because it could get rejected really hard, and that's exactly what happened. I should have just waited for a break of VWAP and maybe a retest of VWAP and then got in there. But that's exactly that did not happen. It did not go over VWAP. It just straight it tapped it and then it just went straight down. These two huge candles. Now these black candles are 2.5 times the selling pressure. So whoever was in this trade definitely didn't want to go above that level, and they sold out right there, or like the sellers I mean, the buyers just gave up there for VWAP, and it started to shit in the bed, and there was a lot of selling, and my premium just started dumping right here, crazy. It dumped from 76.94 to 76.20 in about a minute, bruh. And there was no way I was gonna catch that premium. Now, when you see like these darker candles right here, especially with the setup, it it kind of like highlights that there's gonna be like some more selling pressure, and I really like that because like you could actually like find the trend for the day. I'll give you guys another example. Nvidia, this is another trade I took. I came up only $10 on this trade. This trade ended up being really good for everybody else in the Discord group, but I didn't take it all the way how they took it. I think I cut it. I think I cut it right here off the break of this candle right here for a really quick scalp, but I probably should have held, but I didn't want to I don't know. This is like a problem that I have. Like I just want to scalp a position when clearly like the setup is extremely bearish, and I probably should have just held to see the whole move out or at least a little bit more premium. But I got out right away, and this one was a really good trade right here. As you can see, like once it broke that 200 level, there was a dark candle right here, and it just like this premium went for like a from like $1.70 to like three something at lotto here. There was some crazy selling pressure right here. I really like this new study that I have right here. It really shows the trend. And besides that, that's pretty much it. What else did I take? I took NUE. Oh, this was a really good trade as well. Now NUE was called out in black box stocks. There was a option for the September 17th 125 calls. I bought in at 123 and I sold at 180. These contracts actually went over 100%. They went from 1.8 no from like let me show you guys. Bro, these shits went crazy. These shits went from $1 to 420, and there was people dying. I'm sorry, people buying from $1 all the way to 180. No, yeah, all the way to 180. Like they were buying up the whole chain, and it was going crazy. At first, I was gonna scalp this weeklies for these weeklies, and these weeklies that I went crazy. But the problem is like when I was watching these weeklies, bro, there was nobody in here, bro. But look at the premium bust up on this. Look at this shit. They went from 20 cents or 30 cents, or a lot was 5 cents, but obviously nobody was in there. They went from a couple cents to 270 a piece. After a while, there was people buying into the weeklies, but there was no way I was gonna get in like with no volume in here. It would have been a really good trade, even a scalp right here, because the premium nearly went like 6 or 7 times like within the first 2 hours, but there was no volume. But yeah, that was a really good trade. But besides that, that's pretty much it for the day. I'm gonna try to focus on nice setups for tomorrow, and see if I can get bigger moves with bigger contracts and less quantity of the contracts, because this commission is dead ass killing me, bro. It's just every single day. It's just insane. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys had a green day today. I may not have made as much as I did on previous days, but as long as I'm green, that's good to me, bro. But yeah, besides that, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Peace out.